Top 5 apps like Qatteeey Watch Review that actually work today. Qatteeey Watch is popular for trendy smartwatches, but most people get this wrong by assuming style comes without functionality. The surprising truth is there are apps and services that not only track prices, but also ensure you buy verified, high-quality watches. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Watchbox offers verified pre-owned luxury watches with detailed inspections. Users love transparent histories and guaranteed authenticity. Second, Chrono provides a global marketplace for new and used watches. Customers highlight secure payments and trusted sellers. Third, Swappa, known for electronics but also carry smartwatches. Users report reliable verification and fair pricing. Fourth, Stocks tracks trends and resale value for watches. App users appreciate real-time market insights and verified sales. Finally, Geomashup offers new watches with warranties. Customers praise authentic products at competitive prices. Pro tip: always check seller verification, product reviews, and warranties. This ensures your watch purchase is secure and authentic. These 5 apps let you explore, compare, and purchase watches confidently, blending style, functionality, and trust.